Nicelucky Coffe Mug Warmer for desk with heating function. 25-watt electric beverage warmer with adjustable temperature 131.55 or 167.75 without mug. Warmer quick mug warmer automatic switch with heating and constant temperature function. Keeps all your favorite beverages to hot or warm. 3 temperature settings. Warms reaches to 176. Hot plate coffee warmer for desk. Make the drink taste more delicious. Easy to use coffee warmer meeting the full range of modern family needs. Coffee cup warmer keeps suitable temperature for coffee, milk, water, and other beverages all day long. Products are small, stylish, great enough satisfy the user's needs and keeping warms. Coffe Mug Warmer auto shut-off warms suitable different sizes of mugs. You ensure that your cup is flat. Cup heater can be contact with bottom. Not use plastic cups or double vacuum for flat ceramic, glass, paper, stainless steel cups, baby bottles. Safe and durable. The induction hot plate cup heater electric 25W power. Beverage mug warmer simple and direct. Choose your favorite temperature, energy saving. This cup warmer with an auto shut-off function after working 4 hours. No safety hazards. Worry-free purchase free replacement for 1 year. Coffee warmer for desk with auto shut-off. Fashionable. Caring for the family begins with loving his drink. On special days like Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, great gift to express your love. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.